my gosh, that hurts. I need an adult.
Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to be trying out 2 different types of liquid eyeliner magnetic lashes, one from Amazon and one from AliExpress. I'm going to put one of each on my eyes and see how they compare to each other in how they look and feel, how quick and easy they are to apply, how they handle some wind, and just in general how they compare to strip lashes with glue. I'm a seasoned professional when it comes to strip lashes with a glue adhesive, but I've never tried out any type of magnetic lash before, and I find it very intriguing, so I'm really looking forward to trying them out today. It is 11:24 p.m., but the heart wants what the heart wants, so I'm gonna try them out. So I paid $25.99 for the pack from Amazon, and I paid $6.49 for the ones from AliExpress. Neither of them seem to have an actual brand name on them. I just picked whichever ones were the highest rated. Let's unbox them and see what's inside. I don't have scissors handy, but I do have a fork. So these are the ones from Amazon. We've got 2 tubes of eyeliner, a cute little pair of rose gold tweezers, and 5 pairs of lashes in this one. And they do appear to be a few different styles. The Amazon listing said that 3 of the styles are natural and 2 of them are for parties or weddings. I do have to say I love that everything is rose gold in this one. Honestly, the fork is effective. You don't need scissors. The ones from AliExpress contain 4 pairs of lashes, 1 tube of eyeliner, and a boring pair of tweezers. All the lashes seem to be the same style, but they did have a lot of different ones to choose from in the listing. I think I just chose this kind of spiky one. So there's a magnet strip on the packaging that they're attached to. And it seems to stick pretty well to that. And there are 5 magnets across the strip of the lash. It's not focusing. There it is, 5 magnets. There are 5 magnets on the Amazon ones as well. And yeah, similar packaging. If these work, I'm gonna be freaking stoked. I love the look of lashes and I hate that they get the buildup of glue on them after just a couple of wears. So I'm hoping these ones stay a lot cleaner and you can reuse them over and over and over again. I guess we should read the instructions. This set is all you'll ever need for eyelash perfection. Our premium magnetic eyelash kit comes with 5 pairs of reusable magnetic eyelashes, magnetic eyeliner, and an application tool all in one handy kit. How to use. Shake the magnetic eyeliner before use. Apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids, ensuring it's all along the line of your eyelash roots. Now let the magnetic eyeliner dry for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure that it's not entirely dried up. That's surprising to me because I would have expected it to be fully dry before you apply them. Bend the magnetic eyelash band so that they're curved as similarly as possible to your own eyeline. Grab the end tip of the magnetic eyelashes and place it on top over your own eyelashes. Ensure that the magnetic band on the fake eyelashes connects with the magnetic eyeliner you've applied. This ensures optimal, long-lasting fit. Cool. The other one's pretty much the same. Shake the bottle. Make sure you pass an allergy test before using it. We're not gonna do that. This one also says to make sure it doesn't dry completely. Yeah, same thing. Cool. Let's try it. I don't know how people look in a mirror and film at the same time. I don't know where to look. Is it weird if I use the camera as my mirror? Look how cute it is, the little rose gold bottle. I love it. Okay, I'm starting with the Amazon one on my right eye. And yeah, I'm just gonna, nope, using the phone camera is not good. No, that's not good. Okay, what am I gonna do? Ow! That didn't feel good. Now that I've suffered a concussion, let's move on. This eyeliner has the worst smell I've ever smelled in an eyeliner in my life, which probably means you shouldn't put it on your eyes. Oh well. I don't actually know if it's safe to do this. I've heard some concerns about magnetic things being an eyeliner and it not being safe for your eyes, but I wanted to try it, so I did not Google it. Well, the eyeliner looks pretty normal. Just smells real bad. Okay, I think it's been sitting for like 30 seconds now. Take out the little tweezers it came with. It's the moment of truth. I am so excited. I am so excited. Okay. Gotta say, I did not feel that snap action like I'm always seeing in the Glamnetic commercials. I feel like it's not on there properly. Man, it smells bad. How do I fix this?
Something's not right. Ow. Ow. Okay. That just ripped off like lash glue. And there's a bit of gunk in the lashes now.
Oh, what am I doing wrong? Okay, so the eyeliner is like a thick, tarry substance. Like it is thick and sticky. And I feel like when I put the lash on, it got stuck to the eyeliner. And then when I tried to pull it off, it's not like it was magnetized to my eye. It was stuck like glue. So I think I'm gonna apply some more and I'm gonna let it fully dry. I'm not gonna leave it sticky like they said to, because it got a bit of gunk on the lash too. You can see it's kind of clumping there. And that's not cute. I'm so sad. Okay, I'm gonna put more eyeliner on. We're gonna try this again. It smells like something I've smelled before, but I can't put my finger on it. It's not good. You know what it is? I had one of those magnetic nail polishes where you paint it on and then you put the magnet above and it like forms a pattern on it, and it smelled exactly like this. This smells like nail polish.
Oh no, I got transfer.
I'm gonna give that a good few minutes to dry. So I'm gonna apply the AliExpress one on my other eye while I'm waiting for it to dry, because I don't want it to get stuck again. This one smells the same. It must just be a magnetic thing. There's a hint of baby powder smell too. This is strange. This is a strange experience. Okay, that eyeliner looks pretty good too. The AliExpress one seems to be a little bit less thick and sticky than the Amazon one is.
The Amazon one is still sticky. Okay, it's sticky, but no, it is transferring, never mind.
Both packages have instructions for removal that say to put a bunch of makeup remover on a cotton pad and then basically soak your eyeliner in it for a minute before trying to pull off the eyelash, which is weird to me because you always see the videos of people like taking them off and putting them back on and taking them off and putting them back on, and you can readjust them throughout the day. But if it has to soak in makeup remover for a minute before you can even remove it, I feel like it's not that easy. And the way it just like ripped off when I tried to take off that first one a minute ago, my hopes are slowly dying. Okay, it still feels a little bit sticky, but it's not transferring. Let's try again. I put a little more eyeliner in the inner corner too, because I felt like it wasn't really sticking there last time. The magnets are stuck to the tweezers. I don't understand.
No, that wasn't right either. Ah!
I need an adult. I'm ruining all the lashes with this gross eyeliner. What is going on here?
Okay, that seems right, other than the clumps of glue. Why does this happen? Okay, now that I've kind of adjusted it, it looks kind of normal.
All right, let's try the other pair. So I'm bending it so that it can match my eye. And we'll take the tweezers. I feel like it's a little close to the middle. I feel like neither one of these look as good as my glue strip lashes do, but maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. That's very possible. Not awful though.
Oh.
Okay. This eyeliner is really like close to glue. I'm peeling it off this lash and it's coming off with the same sort of texture that lash glue does. So I'm kind of confused about everything, as per usual. Okay. I feel like putting it on with just my fingers was easier than the tweezers. They're sitting better after peeling them off and putting them back on with just my fingers. That looks pretty good. It kind of had a little bit of an overhang on the inner corner before, and now it's not so bad. From a distance,
I don't hate them. Nope, okay, it's not even attached on the inner corner. Why is it not attached on the inner corner?
I decided I'm just gonna take off my makeup and try again because I feel like there's a learning curve involved with magnetic lashes that I just need to get past, and then everything will be fine. There is quite a lot of makeup remover on this cloth right now, and it's taking a lot of scrubbing to get this off. See what I mean about it being like a lash glue eyeliner hybrid? This is weird. This is a weird material. Okay, so after scrubbing my eyes with makeup remover and then micellar water and then my cleanser, I got everything off and we're ready to start again. Amazon eyeliner. See that thick glob of eyeliner? What a consistency.
I'm putting a decent amount in the inner corner because I had issues with it sticking.
So far, so good. Gonna let that dry and do the other one. AliExpress. This one just seems less gross.
Now those are some even wings if I ever saw one. Was I even looking in the mirror? Awful. My eyelashes are getting stuck together because the eyeliner is so sticky. Ew.
No. Okay, so I put them on with my fingers instead of the tweezers. Wasn't really any different from last time. They're stuck on there, but I really feel like it's just the stickiness of the glue for the most part that's keeping them on. It's not the magnetic, like I'm sure there's a magnetic aspect to it, but the fact that the glue is still so sticky, or the eyeliner I should say, like it's still, when I gently touch it, it sticks to my finger. So yeah, of course the lashes are gonna hang on to it. They look fine. There was a little bit of gap happening and I pushed it in and it just stuck. Not because of the magnet, but because the lashes are just getting stuck to the sticky eyeliner. I'm sad. I am sad. I'm sad. They look fine. But was this process worth it? No. Do they look better than a strip lash? No. And I'm upset because the lashes I tried already are ruined with this disgusting black glue that has created all these clumps now. And the whole point is that you're supposed to be able to reuse it more than a glue strip lash because it's not gonna get all gross, but whatever. I guess I'll still do a wind test. Well, my Dyson's pretty powerful, so I gotta say, that is pretty impressive for the wind test. And both of them stayed on, they didn't even budge. Cool.
What if I tug on them?
Honestly, they're stuck on there stronger than a glue lash, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's magnets or just the stickiness of the glue, but I'm afraid to rip them off because I think it's gonna hurt. Yeah, you can see how shiny it is. That's stickiness. See the shine reflecting off the eyeliner? It is so sticky. Look, my finger's stuck. This is ridiculous.
Oh, my hair is stuck in it.
So overall, the AliExpress one feels more comfortable than the Amazon one. It doesn't feel as heavy, and there's something kind of jabbing me on the Amazon one. I think it's a little bit pointier in the inner corner, but neither one is super uncomfortable. I could wear either of these all day long and be fine. No, I take that back. This one's really stabbing me in the eye. You know what? I don't know anymore. This whole thing has been a gong show. Both eyeliners claim to be waterproof, which seems to be true based on how much my eyes were tearing up during the wind test. And my wings aren't even smudging. That's actually a big problem I have with my winged eyeliner, is by the end of the day, my wings are usually gone or mostly smudged off, but this seems to be really holding up. I'm putting a lot of pressure
on there, and we've just got a tiny bit of fade happening. But that was like me shoving it. Normal, everyday living, I don't think is really gonna rub that off,
which could be a pro or a con depending on how you feel. Both eyeliners smell awful, but the AliExpress one definitely was not as strong, so better smell for the AliExpress one. The texture of the Amazon eyeliner was really thick and sticky, and the texture of the AliExpress one was thick and sticky, but not nearly as much as the Amazon one. So that's another point for AliExpress. Putting the lashes onto the eyeliner was easier with the AliExpress one, so there's another point for AliExpress. Removing the eyeliner earlier was equally difficult on both eyes. Storage of the two is pretty much the same. I'll just put the trays back in their boxes. Pretty much the only thing that I like better about the Amazon one is the look of the lash itself. But there were a lot of other lash styles to choose from on AliExpress. I just didn't pick the right one, I guess. I'm probably gonna stick to my strip lashes with glue adhesive pretty much all the time.
This is starting to peel at the edge without me even touching it. Ugh.
Oh, that came off pretty easily.
Did I wreck the eyeliner?
Not really.
Could I put it back on easily? Huh. Well, I can, but it's not as strong of a hold. Yeah. No, I would say that the stickiness of the eyeliner is 80% of the hold factor, and the magnet has very little to do with it. Ah! Ah! Ow! Oh my gosh, that hurts. Ah! Okay.
Ugh. Yeah, so the gunk that is usually left on a strip lash with glue, there is just as much grossness on these
because the eyeliner is so sticky. It's essentially glue.
We're done here. This is a disaster. Technically, AliExpress wins between the two of them, but you don't need these in your life.
Okay, so it's the next morning now, and as you can see, there is still a little bit of the black gunk on my lash line. And honestly, my eyes hurt. Like all across here when I touch it is so tender. And it hurts so much. And I don't know if it's because of the product or because I just had to scrub so hard to even get most of the eyeliner off. But holy crap, I'm not gonna wear any makeup today because it's so sensitive and it hurts a lot. Y'all, I am so disappointed. I'm so excited to make that video. I thought they were gonna work. I'm usually optimistic about most things. It's a blessing and a curse. Oh well, now you know. Don't buy magnetic lashes.